Probably gonna be having a phantom train coming any moment now. Ever since I've got here, the announcement's gone off like 5 times. Phantom trains are going through Kingston Station every 5 minutes. And I would probably say, if they were real, probably Shinkansen trains, because Shinkansen trains actually do go by every 5 minutes. Phantom Acela trains, I'm gonna say. Just Phantom Acela trains keep coming through here every 5 minutes or so. My dad was just texting me saying, train announcements 2, actual train 0. More like 5 announcements and no trains. But still, point is valid. No actual trains have gone by. So all the trains that have gone by are phantom trains. They don't exist. They don't exist. Probably like any moment now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nope. How about now? How about now? How about now? Now? It's supposed to be phantom train coming. They said that there's going to be a lot of phantom trains coming. How about now? How about now? How about right now? Or now? Or now? Signals show that the other side is green, but the other side is red, which is perfect for phantom trains. Phantom train now. Come on. I can't see you, but I know you're coming. And how about now? Okay, let me try counting again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, automated voice thingy that says train is coming. Any second now, it's gonna go off again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. How about now? There we go. Here comes the phantom train. Here comes the phantom train. The phantom train is coming, but I can't see it. Because you can't see the phantom train, stupid. I'm just imagining it in my head as it's coming by. It's about to come. Here it comes. Here comes the phantom train. This is so funny. I love it. Here it comes. And there it goes. There goes the phantom train at about 150 miles an hour down the Northeast Corridor. There it goes. Never to be seen again. And there's gonna be another one in 5 minutes. Phantom trains at Kingston every 5 minutes. Come on by. Oh, I love this. And here comes a bus for when the next train comes by. Or maybe the phantom train actually stopped and whatnot. There's actually people coming on. Maybe that guy was on the last phantom train and got off. And the phantom train is probably all the way past the curve now. But the alarm is still on. The warning is still on. They did it, by the way, they actually did a very good job. Oh, wait a second. They did a very good job with fixing the signs and making every single one work. When I was walking down to put my plum in the trash can because I ate it already, like the warning came on suddenly and it just scared the crap out of me. I mean, I knew it was coming, but I just didn't know exactly when. Yeah, it's currently 11:35, so probably at 11:38 it's gonna go off again. Ooh, that's a dirty bus. No, I mean literally, it's a dirty bus. Look at that. I have never seen a bus that dirty in a long time. It's like blowing smoke. Yep. Dirty 0919 bus. And the warning for the phantom train is still on. Even though the phantom train came here like 2 minutes ago. There it goes. I hope you enjoyed this funny little comedy video. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, we're gonna have a phantom train coming pretty soon. Of course, we obviously can't see it, but, you know, the announcement's gonna go off any moment now. Another phantom train is gonna come to Kingston. This will be number 6. Yeah, this will be the 6th Phantom train. The rest I didn't film. Well, I kind of did, but you know, what the heck. This is fun. This is gonna be a great little comedy. Because this is what it is. Basically, this whole Phantom train thing is a comedy thing. And the bus is pulled in, out of service, stopped here. Probably taking a potty break or something, I don't know. But yep. The regional should have been here. He probably would be just leaving by now if he was on time, but he's not. He's 23 minutes late. Probably due to some traffic, probably New Haven or something. Or Stamford, because that place is always busy as hell. Probably Stamford, more likely. Here comes another Phantom train, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. He's gonna go by here 150 miles an hour, and we're not gonna feel it. Although I can feel a little bit of wind, so he might be coming. I can feel the wind. He's coming. Here comes the Phantom train, guys. Here comes another Phantom train. I can feel the wind. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. I don't know if I should be standing out here. Oh, here he comes. And he just went by. Man, that wind is really strong from the train. This is just too funny. I love this. So, and this time it's not a Phantom train.
Down to the parking lot area. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line. On the high-level platform. There is signs for entrance on the track to high-level. Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Oh boy. Woo! Yep. 150 miles an hour.
A woman was killed here a few years ago.
Wow. Look at the wires. They're like shaking like crazy. Look at that.
She was too close to the edge. Felt that. I didn't know it was that powerful.
Yep.
The worst part is like in here in the winter and rainy season, splashes about 3
Yeah.
feet out.
Look at the wires. They're shaking like crazy. Yeah. Yeah. They absolutely shake like crazy when they come by. That's how fast they go.
So is that that's the high speed, yeah?
Yep. They don't stop here. They go 150 and boom, they're gone. I can still kind of see him, but he's gonna go around the corner any second now. So you can barely see him, but he's still there. I can still see.
Are those more for long distance travel?
Actually no, they're actually express trains. And he's gone. 170. Going to Boston is late by over half hour. It is currently a 12:02, so it is 25 minutes late. ACS 64, obviously. Gonna guess 649. Who knows what number it is? I don't know. That's my dad on the end of that platform. Yeah, that's my dad over there.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
I will say they did a very good job fixing the signs and the speakers, because only one of them worked.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Even then, they were pretty weak and not so great.
Is my train here?
Nope.
Train approaching. Please remain
This isn't yours.
behind yellow line.
This is the northbound one. I say yours is probably coming about 15 minutes or so. So yeah, I could check this. I could check my schedule for you if you want. Yours is coming at 12:16, so about another 10 minutes or so. Yeah, about 13 minutes, and then yours is coming. That is if it's on time. Oof. Man. Those lights look a lot greener than I thought they were. But, you know, this isn't the first time I've caught this locomotive, this type of locomotive, but, you know, yeah.
Slow one.
Yeah, this is a regional one, yeah. I say, but just go down to Wickford Junction and you're gonna see them go by at about 120. It is, can't read it because that's the lights. 662. Yep, there's the announcement for your train. Seven cars. And that's funny, the cafe car is the 5th one. Usually it's the 4th one. And the traction motor is shut down for now.
Do they have food on board? And...
Yeah, they have crew on board. Yeah. Yeah, this is one of the newer ones. Because it goes from 600 to 670, but 601 got in that Philadelphia wreck last year. Yeah. I don't even know if they still figured out why it crashed yet. They said it was speeding, doing 100 like on a 50 curve, and it basically just flew off the track.
Anyone died?
Yeah, unfortunately 7 people died. Release the brakes and slowly throttle it first, and then eventually go full and highball to Providence and the rest. There he goes. They got a business class deadheading. That's weird. I love how you can still hear the rails like sing after even after the train leaves. 173.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Say, enjoy your trip to New Haven. Hey, enjoy your trip to New Haven.
It was nice meeting you.
Train approaching.
Nice to meet you too.
Please remain behind yellow line.
Is this your first time on an Amtrak train?
In a while, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I rode it.
Train approaching. Please remain behind yellow line.
Rode it once in 2011. It was actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Had the old locomotives too. Let's see, oh, his ditch lights just turned off and then just turn on again. Gave us a shave and a haircut before he even comes to the station. I want to guess it's gonna be 660 is my guess. I'm probably gonna be wrong. Guys, E-bell up. 649, 648. Yep, 648. All right, yep. Nice meeting ya. Amtrak trains. Car number 82589. This feels so much different. Because it feels like it's all business class getting on here, but it's not. Poor little kid there. Mind the gap, please. This looks like a long train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy crap, that's a long train. Here it goes. Final boarding call bell, or the bell, doors closing. Got about 3 conductors right there. There's one here. Glitter highball. There it goes. I'm just gonna walk down to as far as I can go. Release the brakes. Add a little bit of power, but not too much. It's cool watching that though. Alright, there he goes. Alright. I'll put it on full 100%. Awesome engineer. Gave us shaving a haircut before he even came in. I was not even expecting it. Didn't even ask for it. There he goes. Regional 173 is out to DC.